malay. Dari buat tu untuk tu pernah suyu. Sudah di kak banyak ni rat. Klinga. Not sure on the road. Connected lah pasang buta. Let me check one time. Please boleh pilih long page dengan channel tu sangat. So, company pilih no benda settings. Dengan seperti kai kemudian. It's more than enough.
Are not good for your ears. There is even a warning on the box telling you not to put them in your ears. Instead, specialists recommend.
If you're constantly uploading shorts and you're getting less than 1,000 views, here are some things you can do to fix that. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you 6 reasons why your shorts are missing the algorithm. So let's get straight into it. Now, I have 2 shorts channels with a combined count of over 75 million views and 200,000 subscribers. I've been making short form content for over 3 years now, and I've had to deal with this problem many times. But I finally figured out how exactly to fix it, and this video should help you too. Now, the first reason on this list is that you're having a view to swipe ratio issues. Now, your view to swipe ratio is basically just how many people choose to stop and watch your video versus how many people swipe away. Now, my view to swipe ratio average is around 70 to 30, which is barely passing. If your view to swipe ratio is below 70%, there's a high chance YouTube won't push your videos as much, because it basically means that most people.
Allah sakot ka blog mendera. Menu bon pelat jeladi lada apa yang tu thok no. Lada ka views jong pi ka long tang 1000 ngut. Tiki kiru kam bahaban le ka settings dan kam napo ka jaka bahab le ka settings. Kumno ban le ka settings ka pemut dan kam ban yo iya ka ni. Dengan penikin dia barang skap jingkran jong uni ubre ubadan hakan nika. Por. Udang itu kumno wahaban le ya kan settings. Ya pi baru akibadan ya kan YouTube channel semua hal le lem kembali uni ubre. Lelang kembali uni ubre dan
not a sign for the album. Now, an easy way to this is to upload shorts at 20 seconds or shorter length by using a very strong video. Now, the reason for shorter videos is that people are just more likely to watch a full 20-second video compared to a 40-second one. And you need to be able to hook people in within the first 2 seconds to make them want to stick around and watch the entire short. And the hook at the start just needs to be eye-catching and intriguing. It simply just needs to be able to stop people from scrolling. If you can get your view to swipe average to at least 80%.
Pihapan le kanu kom baki beri ki bapet ki long internet barkin iskun. Kini ki beri ki internet kini bahakin iskun. Kanang ban lat nak scroll kan. Scroll ko mo ba swipe no lan ni ong swipe mah. Ladang ipet ki video sepat ni ong scroll. Ipet short iwe ni scroll sejrong ngim swipe ba. Ni scroll. Kabut ka di sejrong swipe ka mo na siya. Langsung tu nganam kan bunya.
Is tough, I have to be honest. If you can do this, you'll pretty much go viral with literally every short. But usually the sweet spot is just anything
viral.
One of my videos has over 12 million views.
12 million views.
Proving that anything above 70% will make your short go viral. So if you want to get more views on your shorts, you need to get your view to swipe ratio up. And the next 5 methods I'm going to show you in this video will help you do that. So listen up and make sure you listen to every single one. Now, the second reason is that you're using a brand new account. So first of all, let me ask you, how old is your account? If you've just started a brand new channel and you started uploading shorts straight away, there's a very low chance that any of those shorts will be pushed out by the YouTube algorithm. Now, this is annoying. I know, because we all want to get started as soon as possible. For some reason, YouTube will think you're some sort of bot if you're a new channel and you randomly start spamming uploads. So it won't push any of your shorts out at first. Now, I first heard this from an employee at YouTube, so I decided to test it out a couple of times on a brand new account. And I can confirm it's true, guys. YouTube, for some reason, doesn't like brand new accounts. Now, with both of my main channels, I've been using them for around 3 months before I posted any videos. And I grew much faster this way because YouTube had already gathered enough data about me and my channels to determine that I was a human and not a bot. So if you want to start a new channel and start uploading shorts, please use an account that's already been set up and used before. And what I mean is you need to use an account that you're already active on, meaning you watch different channels, you leave comments, and you hit the like button on different videos, just like active engagement. Now this will significantly impact how many views you get at the start. Now if you're planning to set up a brand new account for shorts, just make sure you use this account for 2 to 3 weeks before, just by live stream stuff, watching videos, and commenting on people's videos, just so the algorithm recognizes that new account is in use before you start posting shorts on it.
Kemudian kam ban le umno ban pin adjust sila di ba kataka algorithm. Dahil ita algorithm kada mamut ketika way ke ba penya khen penya wa penya dia penya ha penya dai ke mamut kalau kata karukam hi. So tho tingin na pe ya kan di settings kadang kan teli ong mana dan hado on report yang method tu kan ni. Kadang hado tip syurah dan start nama dong start introduction. Okay, fine, let it be. Close na. Then nanya kali ita session neutral dan handbrake and then leave dah. Kejap, pelan ya kejap. Stop ni beri om nama no start.
Getting less than 1,000 views. Here are some things you can do to fix that. Now, if you're constantly uploading shorts and you're getting less than 1,000 views, here are some things you can do to fix that. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you 6 reasons why your shorts are missing the algorithm. So let's get straight into it. Now, I have.
Amak niat mah. Tuh, kendiat. Siap buang kumno ni beri mah. Siap ni beri buang kumno. Kadang lain keram tak. Siap hau ni beri.
2 shorts channels with a combined count of 75 million views and 200,000 subscribers.
Dah kali umnom ni dah terlagai kelas padang.
Many times, but I finally figured out how exactly to fix it, and this video should help you too. Now, the first reason on this list is that you're having a view to swipe ratio issues. Now, your view to swipe ratio is basically just how many people choose to watch your video versus how many people swipe away. Now, my view to swipe ratio average is around 70 to 30, which is barely passing.
Katawang no, ka video jong ni ka batay wa Maria sedang upload dekat channel ke jong u. Di hakan ni ka videos ke jong u ka ong bang upload. No, tang kindiat ke bang mga bestang hapeng sihajar ngun ngayo views. Kadang ke reason balai. Singap hau kan si sisin dengan penat yang ikan ni mah. Singap hau si sisin wang mula. Baik itu videos jong dengan high volume tak. So let me play.
And this video should help you too. Now, the first 1,000 views, here are some things you can do to fix that. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you 6 reasons why your shorts are missing the algorithm. So let's get straight into it. Now, I have 2 shorts channels with a combined count of 75 million views and 200,000 subscribers. I'm making
75 million views and 200 subscribers. Wow. Imagine mafi kumta. If you want your videos, if you want your shorts, hidden videos, hidden channel la kajong, haka YouTube, lan Instagram ru kan dan baik kan ka settings. To go search ke setting di maka YouTube kan sabatai ya pish pangka Instagram ru. Okay kan sabatai ru pish pangka Instagram account. Tibanda kata you need 3 hours time. Because kau ke video pinchim na way you creator, na way channel ru kan namlong ipi. Harus dia parking pak kemudian tersini. Tadi kau ke problem. Entah lah dengan lain kerak kan dia cakap di vaksin minit. Ya, you go. kini ki bikers ru kimlong ngamnang shu long ya le kang sai pala aman bu hai ka phone sama aman bu hai ka phone cai nama le yo bat kan bu hai shwaya ka phone kalong me kamlong tarong tip dapat kini di parking dan parking tang ni di building dan parking ni kini di kali ong ai sa khamatan ai sino ta stol kadan sino ta komputer kadan tip ra cash tu siro tu ish ada benar lah Hanon po. Dan hanya parking barang lagi. Sini. Sekarang how ni beri orang
75
lama.
million views and 200,000 subscribers. I've been making short form content for over 3 years now, and I've had to deal with this problem many times. But I finally figured out how exactly to fix it, and this video should help you too. Now, the first reason on this list is that you're having a view to swipe ratio issues. Now, your view to swipe ratio is basically just how many people choose to stop and what.
Boleh siap swipe ke video yang pina kapor sa kapor. Kaya ke daw, siap swipe na kapor sa kapor. Ke reason ka dan kay. Boleh baki video kami internet. Kami bang ban pej. Tina kata ka daw. Wa mo ngar ngau dan jemut ban lej kani ke settings. Dengan tapda kani tangap dengar 4 minit. Boleh sibuno hi pej. Buno hi like ikan ke channel ke jonga and so tanat ro dengan pej indet ikan dia peni mah. Pekum tu.
Your video versus how many people swipe away. Now, my view to swipe ratio average is around 70 to 30, which is barely passing.
Napa dengan jeng kita gambar nyau pau hadu like 4%. Boboni gambar swipe baik tahu selai video macam ni lah swipe baik kita. Boleh swipe sedang. Kaya reason kalau memibang. Contoh kata kalau tak kini 1,000. Kan tanya kini 1,000 kira. I'm talking about only this 1,000 views. But if your settings, lada ka settings sa jong pi. Hakan ni ka YouTube channel. Okay, hakan ni ka YouTube. Kena views yang pi hakan ni ka YouTube kan long nakan ni kan long kumto. Example mah nakan ni sekan ni. Pekum hang ni ka umno the right way to upload YouTube shorts grow fast in kat ni. Tapi yakin ni videos kumto. Tekini ka dik shorts video kan. Hendak yakin long videos ro laban le lang haka jo hi ka think. Hakurukom. Temen tangin page so way pan. Dan so way creator din ni guru pa utaro. Favorite jangaw ta. Favorite. He's my favorite. This one. Stop uploading like this. He's that one. He's that guy. Where should I? Yes, he is the one. Get 1,000 subscriber fast. Subscriber 6. How I gained subscribers in 4 days by clicking this. Tingin skap saja unipan. Ni menjelak umno tu. Nganong kumno. Nakaliang kajongi melihat nanti full videos. Ngipetang kumba ar nilai after that ngila swipe not last scroll not because ngila type. Ngila song tu lupa bakal long bikum jo shikum jo. Right, that's why ngila swipe message wrong. So same thing hakan niru kan long kum tahi. Ki bapet hi. Hada bakot. Kia ki basong tenat ro kidan hi bapet hada bakot kidan ro ki ba mar sendiri lah scroll sedrong. Ba kidan ro ki ba kawan tepat lani ki song tenat kum yang ki song tenat kipai kidan kiba isi yang aru kidan kila scroll kiba itu nak press stock hindir kumbashi miliar minit kila swipe na dan ba kiba kuatip kidan ki perlu kila itu yang asurum seneng kidan ko oh ba aku boleh isi bon ba erek oh kumta kum ni kila kidan so tenat ka sport jong pisia baro aku boleh isi bon te boleh nangker ku ya kikam pi leb ha bat persang man pen bahaya la de kanang bayon pen bahaya ki weru kumjo aku boleh isi bon te mentangan pilih dah kador lejong. Yang peni dah kadal jong ni number 1 advertisement hang tai. Hello, hi everyone. Hello. Ayo man. Ta. Ini how I get 1,000 subscribers in 4 days. Prima. Just check this out. 1,000 subscribers in 4 days. Imagine their watch time if they look aladak ini kini hanisya jangan ke watch time jongki ke long tang 2 minutes into 1,000 along kan 2,000 so only 2 minutes. See, that's the benefit of the YouTube. So you have to get untuk
just 4 days. It is very simple and it is something everybody can do. Don't feel or think that maybe getting subscribers is hard, getting watch hour is hard, getting views is hard. But I am going to show you these simple things. First of all, I will tell you 4 things that I did.
boleh saya ni lah.
I will show you the simple button I clicked on my YouTube studio. That button
Long ni channel.
give me almost all my
Bright
subscribers because YouTube was able to
How to upload shorts on YouTube the right way to get more views. More views means from 2 views to 1 million, 10 million views. I'm not saying 10 million views. I'm saying only from 2 views to 100 views, or either from 100 views to 10,000 million views, 10,000 people. Lani naka news pa pras pa ngut kinong pen kan poi kumba pralak e nong pen kum taken. So that is the proper way kan. Kini kong proper way. Ma bikaban le things e laban le kani ko kom. Then now it's 7:14 nga habe shaw si 80 publish bon e hipe kani channel ka jonga and hit the subscribe button and like my videos. Nanti pilih name light ne tambah page ngadang le kani settings ni.
It's the best way to get more views.
Okay, ladang am keren kum ni kin so yang abang le copyright. Tip that's why ngap keren bet. Ladang ape je kan ni ladang show upload the videos la jong kin so ang di copyright. Ida ha ka cukup por ladang tem jing tem ngalai jing le institution ni ro. Okay, tem jing tem dengan ladang penlaj apa YouTube. Nama kadika live tik la kat ban upload sibit ulah copyright. Have remove no. Dengan la remove no okay fine. So next time kau mod bak ke beri pihak keren nala dia. You have to talk something. Okay, let the YouTube knows that you are not a robot. Clear, let the YouTube knows that you are not a robot. So that's why I'm doing this by myself. I baka YouTube kan tip banganga de ubre ngam de robot. Te ko ban tip ya kata, dakal tip ya kata dan kan ka algorithm ki om kan sedang ka connection nang tu kan sayo calculation baru khat dan kan selang all offset. So that's why kalau mood we have an layer you can settings, final settings, dan the creator, thing. Dan tu ini guru si tu ni guru tu dan page down ni wiswa. Dan ni baru awan penifnya mah sorry nanti ini akan dikasih history jonga. Ikan dikasih history ke jonga bang apa ikan dikasih quote nanti ini mah. Mentaro anda kan post ini bakaran. Nah ada post ini page mentang ada sudah page video sih orang apa tangkat 2 minit lah. Cuma ini pak but I like ye. Nah semua tenat ya kayak ini ile. Entah kacing bah kacing jong but kelawai jong So I give him thumbs up. I give him thumbs up. Thumbs up means like I like something. Sesemua subscribe le mini ba. Kerteng jong ini Lur Shai Sun channel. Subha. Kita should type channel aja Lur Shai channel. Lur Shai Sun channel. Type ye. Singap problem jong ini ba. Ini ba iya keren aman pedih lihat. Ini ba iya keren syapang jong kakam ba isya. Weng noat nang tina po ni grims itrekam rukum security laki kat snem yo. Kan snem kan mention dengan 4 ngap hana bakut tambah yong 4 lak kat snem. Dan daki post snem. Dan kibalasan snem entah ter kibalasa terminate. Nambah ke kontrak ke lakut. Tekum no tip kam bahas ngap yong no. Singap hari ini ba dia biasa terminate ke kontrak jong i. Jangan keren ni kata apa yang sam. Ini ba ikran berhaba ile be babha nomor isyam ha jing jong i. Jong i dah kawai pat karu kam isyam. Tengam tip isyam kumno. Singap. Tu lah sedang. Li sino la pois tu. Bikin channel jing tiba ngadap subscribe ki videos ki shorts jong 2 years ago ini 2 years ago. Okay. 2 years ago. Kini recent videos yang ini and identang pra po artli ki videos ki subscribers pat ila don hado nreu hajar ta. Ye iya kidan ki ba haban le haka settings ke. So to let it be, I will just do it again. Kini tapi mong boleh ada ke phone hamnyan try hado bandayap ya phone ro. Sebab tu hamnyan ya. Ta jinglong beri jongi repeat nas dang.
pun senang. Kamu datang lagi senang. Ray kidon kibaya nilai trade ki kat senang. Kidon kibaya trade ki post senang. Kidon kibaya trade ki sun senang. Roof senang. Kidon kibaya trade art senang lay senang.
Kulis sebut ya. Tengah like in channel ini guys.
Kajing long priu jongi.
I love this. I will call him Dos. I will call him Dos.
Brio. Kadang ka kentin.
Sengap yang nama.
Para kasih.
Okay. Kulis sebut ya guys. Ma, kulis sebut ya ipor jong pi batang arminit ipor jong pi kalau watch time yang kepe increase ke level jong keneka watch time. So I need watch time kan. So let's go and check it out. Ya ka sabar kalau kuno wasapo kalau kuno hado kan no kala accept kibrio nasani. Tengin silet mi kai stay. Kapal kalau Malaysia itu mian ngin sepen yang next video dan ada kata kapal. Tehan dan ini di parking lot. Kita buat like kerang. Ini kayaknya sekali. Siapa yang kamu buang dia? Siap. Ah. Siapa yang lawan lah? Andi. Salah. Ketika hebat sih sama. Ada penting. Kan ini kali stika Xerox cyber tu bayo ban nahi kan. Yo ni ro.